Welcome back to Tech Express. Today let's dive into how to build a hair store with Shopify into the 2024. The hair care market is booming and having a well-designed online store and can set you up for success. Whether you are selling hair products, accessories, or extensions, Shopify is a fantastic platform to create your online store. Let's get started and build your dream hair store. So first of all, signing up for Shopify. I'm going to leave you guys a link down below in the description so we can all get started totally free today. You will be getting a few rewards just by clicking down below. So Shopify offers a free trial, but you can explore more stuff with a link down below. Once you hit into sign it up, guys, you're going to be seeing something like this. So choose your store name that reflects your brand and is memorable to customers. I'm going to leave you guys on your own in this so you can start from I'm just starting. What is your actual intention in here? What do you want to sell? Where are you currently located? What is the name of your store? So take your time and go back into this video. So congratulations! After setting up your account, the next step is to choose a theme for your store. Shopify has a range of themes, some of which are specifically designed for a beauty and hair products. You can go into online products as you might see in here, and by default you have the Dawn Boson. You wanted to pick a theme that aligns with your brand aesthetic and offers the functionality you need. In our case, let's try to look out for the scents that appears in here. I'm gonna go for add. Since we'll be focusing into hair store, so go here for scents. You can see that we have the installing the theme. After the installation has been completed, what you wanted to do is to go into customize, but not by going first of all into adding your own products. Next, let's move on into our actual products. Now it's time to add your products. As I just said, go to your product section into your Shopify dashboard here and include high quality images, detailed description, prices, and add variants like different sizes and colors. Accurate and antecedent product descriptions can significantly influence purchasing decisions. So if you hit into add products, you can see they have all the elements to add in there. Title, description, media, pricing, inventory, quantity, the shipping, the variants, and the search engine listing that can help us to boost a little bit more to appear into the search engine listing of Google. So after you finish there, let's get down to continue. So your product should be already been appeared in here. Now let's move on into setting up the payment and the shipping. Now, Shopify integrates with the various payment providers, so choose the one that suits for your business. For shipping, define your rates and shipping zone based on where you are currently based on where you're selling your products. Ensure your payment and shipping policies are clear to your customers, so you can always go into payments so you can accept different points of payment. For example, go for PayPal or choose your own provider. Depending on the country you currently live in, you might be having different results. For example, in my case, it's Stripe, Waxo, Cybersource, and much more. Now, usually what I do, now once again into the policies, I'm going to go here into policies. And if you don't know anything about policies, you can go into create from a template, and there you have it, guys. All the templates should be created of the privacy policy. You have templates for the terms of services, you have templates for the contact information, you have templates for the shipping policy. Just hit now to save and you're good to go. So let's go now back into our online store and see what we have done so far. And as you can see, this is the part what you wanted to get started with customizing our stuff. So as you can see now here, we have the featured product of the product we have just added. So you don't want to focus in there. So let's focus only into the elements, for example, the name of your product, the store, home catalog contact, browse our latest product. You can edit your image in here. You can explore free images if you wanted to. Let's say, for example, let's say her. And as you can see, I can move on into something easy, for example, like this, selected. If you kind of like what you're seeing, just leave it like that. I'm going to go here into my store and I delete or try to change this current theme later on. So we can see that we have our logo cotton suit. Welcome to our store, the home, the catalog, the contact. And as you can see, it doesn't look so bad. Of course, there's a lot of things to cover, but this is something basic and easy. Once you have added the products and set it out the payment and shipping, your hair store is almost ready to go live. You can preview your store And if this guide, of course, was really helpful for you, there's a lot of videos that we can cover and a lot of information and a lot of tutorials specifically speaking about Shopify that can help you to boost and add much more elements into your actual store. But so far we have done something really easy in this tutorial, really easy for you guys. So once again, please give us a like, subscribe to Express for more commerce tutorials. If you have any questions or tips about sharing, starting an online hair store, you can share them into the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and best of luck with your hair store venture. Keep an eye out for more content to help you succeed into the world of e-commerce. See you soon.